Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video is going to give you 5 tips on how to get started. Downloading RealOnes is super easy. Just go to the respective app store or go to jointhegba.com/RealOnes. Setting up a RealOnes account is just as easy. You can use your Google ID, Apple ID, or a new username and password. If you choose the last option, you'll receive an email asking to confirm and activate your account, so check that spam folder just in case. After setting up the account, a prompt will ask you for access to your location services so we can find the nearby Black-owned businesses and allies in your area. Take a minute to look over our terms and conditions and privacy policy. They will also be available on our website at any time, but logging in means you agree. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the search screen. We like to get straight to the point. And a pro tip, whether you're a business owner or general user, we suggest that you associate your RealOnes account with an official email because we promise, no spam. Next up, we'll show you some basic search functions to help you find all these amazing businesses that are crushing it on a regular basis. If this was helpful at all, we'd appreciate a like or subscribe to help us grow the channel. Thank you and see you in the next one. Like the thing naman, oh gosh.